At KH5 equals K901 at 0B at equals K93 at 0 equals COB at 40ACE38206 equals 33 at 0 equals C8 at 20 equals 80 at H2 KE0A82D0 at 0 F52B8G5A at 872 4AB25. At 872 48B5L equals ABLN20 to 48. 3 at 02G0A075 at K3B2KE3 at 0 equals C. 052885B at 2. 0B5 at 80 equals 5 at 6025 NI0OAB0L. 450L equals 408AA5420B5 La 8001 at 0B at 898KB equals K at 872 4AB2. 07K205 equals K95AA5 at 28A equals Key California C3 equals B06, 1CG5 equals 85, 70 California, at 5 equals B at AB005E0 equals 8G5A00 equals AB at CF80 equals AB at CF807 Lira 20 equals 80 equals 00 equals 389A, 8 at Ka, 07K5.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.